Hi everyone, this is Em and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share you 14 things that you can toss now. It's still the start of 2019 and this is the best time to declutter a couple of things in our home that we might have already forgotten about. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And by the way, I still have an ongoing giveaway which I will link in the description box below, and this is up until February 1 and you can still join. I will be announcing the winners on my next video, so don't miss that out. Okay, let's start! First one are your single and lonely socks. Check your socks now, and for sure, you have those ones without partners and just been sitting there for a long time. Now is the best time to toss those singles. Next are old condiment packets, which we usually get from fast foods. You probably have a lot of those. Check if there's an expiration date, or if it has been with you for a long time, then it's about time to let it go. The third one are old towels. Check your towel rack and you might probably have a couple of old towels that have holes in it. You can either recycle it by cutting it into smaller rags or just simply get rid of it. It's always nice to start the year with fresh towels. Why are we still holding on to these containers with no lids? Unless we'll repurpose it, but if it's too excessive, then start getting rid of it. Check your junk drawers and you might find a couple of dead and old batteries. For non-rechargeable batteries, an easy way to check if it's still going to work without using a battery tester is to bounce it. Hold them about 2 inches above a hard surface and drop them. If it bounces high up, then it's probably dead. In my case, these batteries can still be used. Check your makeup stash. You might just have some expired makeup products. Test it, sniff it, and if it's too old, just get rid of it. Marking the package on when it was opened will make it much easier. Always check the packaging. It usually indicates how long you can use the product. I love seeing nice polished colors, and also bought a few but only used once or twice. So check each one. It should last for 2 years after opening. So if it's more than that, you can say goodbye. Do you have those shoes that you just can't let go, and at the same time you avoid wearing them because they give you blisters? Even after trying to wear stockings or toe protectors but still doesn't work? Maybe now is the time to donate them. It will also be a great excuse to go shop for new shoes. Charot! How many apps do you have on your phone? Do you use all of them? Well, in my case, there was a time when I downloaded a couple of video editors to try out, and then I ended up not liking them and not using them. So now is a great time to delete those apps and save some space on your phone for more important stuff. Do you have those small containers of toiletries? Which probably some of them you got from a hotel you went to. These eat up a lot of space, so get rid of the old and just leave the newer ones. Do you have bras that are broken and hoping you can fix it but haven't gotten the time to do so? or probably tried to fix it or sew it but still didn't work? Well, it's about time to toss those. How about underwear with bacon garters? I mean, the garters are already too loose. Start getting rid of those too. Do you have cords and cable wires that are just shoved in a drawer but you don't really know what it's for? Also those duplicates which you haven't used for years. Go ahead and donate them. I found some manuals for old appliances which were either broken already or it's just not with us anymore. In this time, manuals are already accessible online. So the best thing to do to avoid accumulating manuals that you never read is to just download a PDF file of the manual and save it in a folder in your computer. Then it will be easier for you to access it if you ever need it. How many are you in the house and how many mugs do you really need? I find that in our house, we have so many mugs, usually from gifts. So lessen those mugs and give more space to other more important stuff in your kitchen cabinets. Those are some stuff in your home that you can let go of. I hope I gave you some ideas on what to start decluttering. Let's give our things some room to breathe because for sure, we'll get or buy new things this year. So it's nice to have space for those. Just a quick tip to avoid overflowing stuff. What I do is the one in, one out rule. So in case I bring in a new shirt, then I make sure that I let go of one shirt as well. This is a great help to avoid overflowing closets or cabinets. Plus, it's easier to organize. Lesser things means lesser time and effort in organizing. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss out if I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. See you next time. Bye!